Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to view your bank account signature online. So without any delay, let's get started. First, you have to visit your bank's website. So whatever bank it is, just go to the website or open the bank's mobile app. Now log into your account and then navigate to the account summary or account information section. If you have multiple accounts linked, select the specific account where you want to view the signature. Next, look for an option like additional information or account details to access more information. Here, you might find a document labeled as signature card or account signature and click on it to view your signature associated with the account. So that's it, guys. That's how you can see your bank account signature online. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.